Okay.
Yeah.
So today we are going to understand how we can find the occurrence of given particular character, right?
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Find out the occurrence of a specific character
Mm-hmm.
in given
Mm.
input, right?
Yeah.
So here, let's example like if someone give the input, maybe like this is a test message, right?
Yeah.
And here I want to find the occurrence of like S, right? So
Specification.
our output would be like here in this read this message, then you notice one time, two time, three time, four time, five time. So our
Mm-hmm.
methods to return the five output.
Oh, just like this is a test message. Just like this is as a word, right? This word it
This
is
is a
counted
complete one input, right? One string.
one
And in
string
this
and it is count like per word. Sorry.
count the specific one character like S or T or I or A or B, any
Oh, I see.
character, right?
Okay, okay, okay. I got you. Okay, how many S's are there? Okay, one, two, three, four, five. Yeah.
So static,
Mm-hmm.
let's
That makes sense.
occurrence of, hmm,
Mm-hmm.
let's count, yeah, occurrence of, or you can say count the occurrence of character. Okay, and here we have a string, your input, and is input and the specific character which you want, right? What is
Right.
the occurrence?
Mm-hmm.
And which are written some here. And let's keys count 0 and return count. Okay. So here let's this is my input string. String must be in double quote,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
And output output would be I call my this function, right?
Mm-hmm.
Call my function, pass your input, pass your input, and the specific character. Let's I want to fast find out the occurrence of S, right?
All right.
So we have to return the count the occurrence of character ch.
Mm.
So till now this is the question. We have one input, and this input we have to find out the number of times this character occur, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what do you think? How to find?
How to find? Yeah.
So in if you I ask you what is the occurrence of S in this input? So how will figuring out?
So I have to search it from like each and every word.
Yes, every
Because
character,
every
one character,
yeah.
then one character, then one character, then
Right.
one character, each character. And
Right.
if this match with our input, right?
Right.
Then you can say one match, right?
One match. Yeah. And it is count. One match. It is counting. Okay.
Yeah,
That's one.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
The simply whatever we have input, we start from first letter and match with this input, right? If match
So
or not, not match, go to the
then
next.
to the
It's
next. Yeah.
match or not, go to the
Yeah.
next. It's match, not. Go
No.
to the next. Yes, it is a match, right? It is a match.
Yes.
Then
Right.
we have something count, like we have a match, one
Then
count,
count.
right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Similarly for the next, is match? No.
No.
Next is match? Yes, it is a match.
Yeah.
Again increment the counter, right?
Yeah. Right.
Again next, again next. In this way, till now, all the input, right?
Mm-hmm.
So similarly, here we are going to first read each character from the given input, right?
Right.
So we already know how to read each character. So we have a index 0 because this character has 0 position, 1 position, 2 position, right?
Zero position. Yeah. Starting
Yeah.
from
So
zero
this is the
position.
0,
Yeah.
and till this is the length.
Yeah.
Input string dot length
Yeah.
and I plus plus index.
I plus plus. Yeah.
If I just get what is the character of each position, so
Mhm.
this string have one function like get char at this I position, right? So I initially I would be 0.
Zero.
So they give me the 0 position data, then 1 position, 2 position, right?
Ajay, there is what is line number 19. What is the character at
Char
CHAR?
at the char at is the one method that given by this string class we are just using, right?
Uh, okay.
Right?
Right?
Ajay,
Like, okay, go ahead. Yeah, next.
how do I know that? It's like sometimes I don't know this like which method is working for this. How do I
Yeah. So
find out this one? Like pretty much
yeah,
easy way. I know that all about the practice, but is
yeah.
there any
Those
way?
yes. Go to the Google and
Yeah,
say string API, right?
it's okay.
Just enter
Okay. Uh-huh.
in just wait little bit. So now we find any link here, Oracle website
Right,
or
right, right.
anyone, just click here. And this is string class. What is this string class? This is the
Mhm.
definition. String class. What is? String class is the this is the class. In this way, we can create the object of this way or
Mhm.
this way or this way. Right? We have
Acha.
learned how to create this object, how to create this class. Currently, I am creating a string object using this way. Right here, string
Right.
input equal to direct. Right here, so here the definition how to create a string object this way or this way, and what are this string class have a method. So if you go
Mhm.
down here, these are the constructor means ki from way we can create the string object, and down this is all the method, right?
Uh-huh.
All method
Uh-huh.
like here method char at which are
Mhm.
we I'm using. Notice
Right.
char at function return the character at a specific index. So here I
Uh-huh.
am pass index. What I am passing index? I am passing index I 0.
Uh-huh.
They give me the character at a 0 position.
Right.
What is the value they return? Character. Why I
Okay.
am say this return? This is the method. This is the input. This is your
Uh-huh.
method name. This is your input, and this is your output character, right?
Right, right.
Right.
So similarly, these all are the method string class have.
Mm-hmm.
All are these method. We are also using notice. This is the length.
Mm-hmm.
This is the length.
Mm-hmm.
Notice here with the input dot here, input dot length. Notice
Mm-hmm.
here input dot length, right? This is the string input,
Right.
input dot length. This is the one method, and this is input dot caret. So here
Mm-hmm.
currently we are using the two method of string class. One is the length, one is the caret.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the your length function. Length return the length of this string.
Acha.
This is the Java doc, right? So
Mm-hmm.
for any existing Java library, you can find out all the details,
Sure.
right? Just
Right.
class name Java doc. So you can
Acha.
find this complete details, right?
Acha. That's good.
And even these things we can get on editor as well. As this is the string class. What is the
Mm-hmm.
length function? Just here right click and here option uh, go to uses here, and
Mm-hmm.
here you found the definition of string class. This is the is complete string class in a code wise, right?
Right, right.
This is a complete string class. Whatever in website you are reading this thing, right?
Mm-hmm.
Notice the same
Mm-hmm.
thing here you are reading in this documentation.
Acha.
Notice here, look look like this. String class extend
String
this,
plus
and
represent character string.
yeah,
All string is
complete
literal in
same thing. This is Java doc available, and
uh-huh.
we are this is a string class extend this.
Acha.
You can look the editor itself.
Mhm.
Editor help us to know what is the definition logic here, right? Or you can go to the Google Doc, right?
Okay. Oh, we have to check it from that Oracle site, and from the editor. I mean, you're talking about the
Yes,
IDE, right?
yes. ID also give the definition. Whatever the
So,
here
uh-huh.
class, which class you want, maybe here go to and the definition. Right
Ajay,
here.
can you
Yes,
please open that IDE? I mean, editor, if you don't mind, please.
I'm an editor. My
Uh,
screen not visible.
no, let's. I can see that Oracle site now. I mean, documentation one.
Uh, my IntelliJ idea are visible. Screen is visible or not?
No.
Oh, again, let's stop sharing.
Uh,
Stop my sharing,
Acha.
and again I share my screen.
Mhm. Huh.
Now
Now,
my screen is visible.
yeah, it is.
So now this is a string class. In this string class also you find the complete documentation.
Uh,
Just you can do mouse here. They
yeah.
give the complete definition, right?
Oh, just like a hovered the mouse in there, and
Yes,
then
hover the
you
mouse.
okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Acha. Acha.
you get the even not then if you just double click and right click and
Acha.
go to
Uh,
F like declaration or usage. Click here
Declaration. Acha. Acha.
and you completely this file open string.java,
Acha. Acha.
and string.java this complete documentation available for you,
Acha. Acha.
and all the method complete class. This is a class, and class
Mhm.
have a variable, class have a method, each and
Right.
everything
Right.
constructor, each and everything you can look, right?
Right. Right.
And like this is a length function, go here and select and go to the go to and F3 here, like,
Uh-huh.
and
Uh-huh.
you find the complete length. This is the length function, right?
Right.
And similarly, like this is the caret function, select and go to F3, and here find the caret function.
Right.
So
Uh,
all the logic in written the string.java. String.java class is notice. I am using the JDK20, right? So there
right.
comes JDK20. This is the library folder. Inside this is the src.gif file.
Mhm. Mhm. Mhm.
This zip file contain your this class.
I didn't. Okay. What is the SRC zip file? That is your zip file,
Yeah,
source file,
whenever you download na any Java JDK, they have
JDK.
one library folder. In this
Right.
library folder have a complete source code,
Right.
right?
That is the source code, like, there's a zip file,
Available.
right?
Because this IntelliJ this ID don't know na ki what is the logic string class.
हाँ
So
जी.
whenever I am setting the path,
हाँ
ki
हाँ
please use this JDK. So
हाँ.
this IntelliJ automatically identify. If you notice in the my system, I
Mhm.
have a C drive. This is my install JDK20, and here
Right.
lib folder and library have this is the source file, right?
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
In
वो
this source file contain all these Java required source code,
हाँ 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 हाँ. ये समझ गया मैंने. हाँ
and from this path our IntelliJ pick out.
हाँ
Notice here,
हाँ.
L, and this is the class.
अच्छा.
Okay,
Yeah. Thank you, Ajay.
so here till now, where was we are able to till now uh, uh, read out all this input one by one. What is the
Mm-hmm.
0 position, T, 1 position, H, right? We are able
Mm-hmm.
to read out
Right.
one by one each character, right?
Right.
Here objective we have to count out the occurrence of S. Just we have to match, right?
Right.
Here if I say if my
I
input,
think
yeah,
your screen is frozen. I think
again, but
it
what
looks like
happened?
you're still at the string class
Yeah.
screen.
That is
Oh,
what I do. Just like always, when the class going on,
uh,
I just
uh,
like turn my video off, because
uh,
at least it is like little bit better output. It will come. Yeah.
yeah. Let me share if you got.
Yeah, today we are experiencing more lagging.
Yeah. Right.
Might be due to the some internet or something,
हाँ,
Right.
right?
Friday ना कल तो like छुट्टी है.
Yeah.
You
So
know,
till now, you are able to see my intelligent idea.
Uh,
yes,
हाँ
is
हाँ
Yeah.
visible.
So till now, what we did, we have whatever the my input string, we are reading from each position. What is the value, right?
right
Zero position. What is the character? What is the
right
character, right? All
mm,
character we are able to read it, right, one by one.
right uh-huh.
But our objective is to we have to find out the occurrence of this specific character, right? Whatever
अच्छा
the input we have, right?
हाँ.
So here let's apply some condition here. We are going to only find out the specific input, like a C, whatever they pass, right?
Mm-hmm.
So here I just apply if, and whatever the our input is equal to your just input char,
Mm-hmm.
input char, right?
Mm-hmm.
Is matched with the input char. If match, then I want to just print. That's
अच्छा
I'm only able to interested to printing one which match with my input, right?
हाँ
Not all. Here we are able to print all the character in the given input, right?
right
If you again run, we are only able to now find out you all are the S only, right?
अच्छा
So notice in my input, whatever the my input, whatever the my this is the input, the
mm-hmm.
S is at the third position. This is the third position, right?
बहुत अच्छा
0, 1, 2,
पॉलिसी
3,
बता हाँ
and 6 position, 12 position,
हाँ
17 position, and 18 position.
अच्छा
Now, if you know the position, all the things, just count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right?
right right
Here we have to going to count them. So we have already count.
mm.
Instead of printing, I am not going to print. I am just going to say count
Come,
equal to count plus 1,
plus one
right?
अच्छा
And
अच्छा
let's just print
print
out
out
the count.
mm-hmm.
So we can able to say कि we are able to properly count, right?
Mm-hmm.
And just run. So this is the way you are able to find out the notice. First time, first edge, one count, right?
अच्छा
Second position, count two. Third
हम्म
position, three.
अच्छा
Fourth and five. Total, we are able to find the count the five,
भैया ये तो
right?
मैजिक भैया हाँ हाँ
Uh,
हाँ
I have,
Right? Yeah.
हाँ
So now I am not going to here printing, just done. Say कि this is the complete my logic.
अच्छा
Just run it, and you notice the complete this method invoke from here, this return count. So this is my input. The
अच्छा
occurrence of character is a 5. Let's
हाँ
check like a. I pass a. So here a, two times. So
हम्म
this must return like a 2, right? Let's key I want to test
oh
t.
that's for the A अच्छा अच्छा T is
Yes,
two
let's I
times
want to test t.
yeah
T should be
two
here
times
1, 2.
oh one time that's like one is capital one is small
Yeah.
oh
So
okay
yeah. So here we are only checking exact match, right?
अच्छा अच्छा
Whatever they pass, exact match.
अच्छा
If I pass like
This
uppercase
हाँ हाँ
and uppercase I have only one, they return. But sometimes say no, yeah, I want T means maybe small case or lowercase, all right? Case
अच्छा
instance.
हाँ
Yesterday I asked you have to think how to write a case insensitive.
हम्म
So instead of this is the simple logic. Let's see. I'll just copy paste and say case insensitive.
हम्म
Case
case instance अच्छा
insensitive case.
हम्म
So case insensitive means this is maybe capital, maybe
हम्म,
lower.
अच्छा
We have to decide. We have to maybe convert this complete string maybe lowercase or uppercase. Then we
अच्छा
have to perform the logic. Because this input some maybe some this is the somewhere maybe this is the capital, right?
हम्म
In this case we are returning a 2, right?
in this case, T, case sensitive, like you already
No, just
told
I'm
them.
thinking till now I'm not written logic. Just I'm thinking whatever the current logic, we are just
Oh,
matching exact whatever the match, right?
exact one.
If you
Okay.
pass the two, then
Uh,
uppercase or lowercase, lowercase.
right.
But I want our system should be intelligence. Instead of this, let go to the case insensitive, right?
Acha.
I'm calling this function
Uh-huh.
case insensitive.
Hmm. Acha. Case
So till
in.
now, I have to going to write the logic ki how I say compiler as a
Hmm.
human being. I read this is a T, this
Hmm.
is also T, this is also T. They
Right.
have a three T, but our
Great.
method return only two. Why?
Yeah.
Because in this function, we are just checking exactly the same character match, right?
Huh.
So here we have to make this conversion in particular, maybe lowercase or uppercase. We have to decide.
Right.
So if you notice here, so think already we know how to convert the particular input in uppercase or lowercase, right?
Huh.
So this is our responsibility, our logic. I am going whatever this input and whatever this, both we have to convert in a particular maybe uppercase or lowercase.
I
Uh,
didn't get that. Ajay.
Let us here we passing the capital T, right?
Capital T.
And here we receive capital T, right? From
Exact.
input capital
Right.
T,
Right.
capital T matched. They are
Huh.
getting the count.
Uh-huh.
And if sometime this is the small t, now this is the small t, right?
Uh-huh.
This is the small t, but
Ah.
this is the capital T, not match, right?
No.
This is small t not match with the capital T.
Right.
This is the problem. Why we are
Exactly.
not counting them, right?
No.
So what we think we have to convert this input to the smaller case and compare to the smaller case.
Oh, I had to convert
Convert
it to be
this
small.
to a smaller case.
Uh,
Then you found this is the equal. So somehow we have put intelligence ki, in our human eye, we know this is the capital T and this is the small t. But as
exactly.
a we read the T,
Uh-huh. Right.
but compiler this is the capital T, this is the capital T and this is the small t. Both are the
Mm.
different two things. This is the
Good.
different character and this is the different character. And these
Exactly.
have a different ASCII value, this have a different ASCII value, right?
Huh, 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 huh.
So our computer understand this is the two different character. They don't know that this is the same.
Huh,
But as
yes.
we human beings say both are the same thing, both are the T, both are the T.
Right. Right.
So how we have to inform compiler, hey compiler, can you consider both are the same?
Mm-hmm. No.
Compiler cannot automatically understand. But
No.
I know, I convert this to two small case. And this is the small case. Now compiler so okay, this both are the equal,
Acha.
right?
Huh, huh, huh.
So our objective is to here comparing whatever the things we are comparing must
Right.
be in same case. Not if this is the lower case, this must be lower case, right? If
Right.
this is the upper case, this must be upper case.
Right. Right.
So here we have to make a some similarity. Currently
Mm-hmm.
we are not doing anything. Might be this is the lower case, this is the upper case. This conversion can be false, right?
Uh-huh.
So our responsibility, we have to convert this input to maybe uppercase or to lowercase.
Mm-hmm.
We already know how to convert uppercase or lowercase, right?
Uh-huh. True. True.
So just here we have to put something logic. If the particular character in uppercase, then convert to the lowercase, right?
Huh.
We already know how to convert uppercase, lowercase, right?
Yeah.
So let's write function static uh, boolean. First we have to check if the first we have to check now the input is really in uppercase or not uppercase, right? Then we have
Mm-hmm.
to convert. So boolean is uppercase.
Otherwise, can I say something like before you
Yes.
go for that? Like, now you are converting to the small, like capital one. You are converted to the
Yes. If
small
yes,
letter.
if
We
I'm
can do the
yes,
vice versa as well, right?
yes, we can do
Ah,
vice versa. You can
अच्छा.
let's do capital letter conversion
हाँ,
to the capital
हाँ,
letter,
कोई
right?
मसला नहीं, कोई मसला नहीं. Like, आप,
Right.
हाँ,
So
right.
our objective, I am going to convert this input also uppercase, this also
Mhm.
uppercase, right?
Okay, right.
Both are in uppercase, then we have to perform
हाँ,
equal to.
right,
So first objective, whatever this input and whatever this input, this is the
right,
input and this input, we have to convert uppercase, right?
right.
This is the CH, we need a uppercase of CH, right?
हाँ,
Somehow.
हाँ,
And
हाँ,
similarly, we have this input, need uppercase. So
right,
first things, this is our CH need to convert to uppercase, right?
right, right,
To uppercase, right?
right.
And this is my input, this we have to convert to uppercase,
Mm-hmm.
right? If both are uppercase, then you can apply the condition. Till now, we are not going any kind of conversion. Might be sometimes it is lowercase, sometimes it is uppercase. Our logic is not working, right?
अच्छा,
So we already know ki if any input, how to convert uppercase or lowercase. So here we are going to convert to uppercase, right? Is
right.
it okay?
Uh-huh. It's okay.
So let's think how you are converting to any character in uppercase.
Uh, th- uh,
Uppercase means this is the small letter A and this is the capital. So we have no this is the 65, right?
Mm-hmm.
ASCII value, and this is the 97, right?
Mm-hmm.
If you want to convert uppercase, that means in this should be first lowercase, then we are going to convert uppercase, right?
Mm-hmm.
right.
That means here we are going to minus 32, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
If minus 32, I'm getting the 65, right? So convert here to uppercase, right? And
Mm-hmm.
I take one character, whatever the character we have, and what we are returning, character, whatever this ch input character minus 32, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right?
All right.
Okay.
Uh,
And when let's you write in this variable like char to up, okay,
uh,
and return to up. Okay, this is a function which
uh,
are able to converting input to uppercase, right?
mm-hmm.
So I can use this function here. So whatever this is my ch, I am going to first converting uppercase here like char char upper ch, right?
Mm-hmm.
Just pass function to uppercase and pass our ch. So this must return somehow uppercase, right? And similarly, we have to convert our this input to uppercase
Mm-hmm.
character input upper input there upper input character, right? And same function we have to include and pass this your input, right?
To uppercase. Acha.
So till now, what we did, we are converting this my original input to uppercase, and
Mm-hmm.
what we have to match also uppercase. Now both are in uppercase, right? Then you can say compare with this with this.
All right.
So here, what you are doing, we are checking whatever the character we have. Let's do just print out check our function work or not. Uppercase
Mm-hmm.
or ch equal to ch. And
Mm-hmm.
similarly, let's this is properly we are able to convert or not, right?
Right.
This is our converted, and this is our input, right?
Right.
Just check what the logic written. This working properly now. But this is, you notice ki we have a, whenever we have a converting uppercase, that means this input must be in lowercase, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then we are minusing 32 and converting to uppercase, right?
Yeah.
So here we have to apply condition. It must be in a lowercase, right?
Mm-hmm.
Flat we cannot do minus 32, right? Is it clear?
Right.
Let's, this is the capital letter. Then what happen? If you minus 32, they give some junk character. So let run without writing anything. Then we observe what the output. So let's observe our output. Where is the, this is the my first time.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Uh, okay, two times I call. Somehow let's stop this calling. Okay. This is the, I just call the new function in case instance, right?
Mm.
So let's observe the output. This is the ch and uppercase value 4. Why? This is
Mm.
the 4. Something,
Mhm.
notice, this is the problematic. Here, this T input is already capital, then 2 can return a 4. If you notice, capital letter T, if you minus 32, they become a 4, right?
Mm.
Because
Right.
here we are
Mm-hmm.
not, before going to convert uppercase, we have to check the character should be lowercase. Here our input is the capital letter, right?
Mm-hmm.
So let's, if I pass this input as a small letter, okay? If this is a small, they can easily convert it to the uppercase, right?
Mm.
Let's pass here. Then notice where I am passing. This is the small letter T, F, T. Okay, this is the ch. This is the capital. Okay, this is the this is the second second my. This is the input. No, this is the input
Mm-hmm.
character. Notice this
Right.
is small letter T input, and we converted to the uppercase too. So it's
Mm-hmm.
working fine, right? Small can be converted to the upper, right
It
here.
is. It is.
But you notice our input, first input, this is already capital letter, right? If you this convert to, they convert 4, right?
They convert to four. Yeah.
So initially, later, this is the T, capital letter T. You are trying to convert to uppercase. They become a 4, right? But
Mm-hmm.
this is not, because you don't need to convert if this is the character is already in uppercase, right?
Right.
So this is the conditions we miss in two function. I'm just here. Whenever press F3 here, here we have to check going to convert really need to conversion or not, right? You have to
Mm.
check if your ch greater than or equal to small a, lowercase, right?
Mm.
And ch less than or equal to small z.
Mm.
If this, then we have to do conversion, right?
Right.
So here I'm saying ki only need uppercase when character in a lowercase. Lowercase, then we have to convert uppercase, right?
Mm-hmm.
Else don't do it, right?
Sure.
Are you understand why I'm writing this logic? We have to first checking the input is must be in a
Mm-hmm.
lowercase, then need to convert uppercase. Else don't do, right?
Right.
Right.
Now you run, then check. We are able to properly. This is the T and this is the T. We are,
Mm-hmm.
now this our input T, we are not converting to lowercase, right? Because already T.
Right.
This input is a lowercase, we convert to table. Now this capital should be equal. Similarly, now input is a small letter h, we are
Mm-hmm.
converting to the capital letter, right?
Right.
This is the input lowercase converting to the capital letter. Now matching the capital to capital, right?
Huh.
Right.
So in this way, we are going to the match. Now, if you just comment out this line, not needed,
Mm-hmm.
not needed.
Mm-hmm.
And if you run, so notice here the occurrence of which character I am passing? Occurrence of I am passing T, right? Small letter T. T
Right.
have a 1, 2, 3. Now notice we are getting a 3. Now it's work for case sensitive and insensitive. This is small t, also considered as a count, right?
Consider the count. Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
So,
Yeah.
right. So whenever you are going to perform like a conversion for case insensitive, so this equal to operation must be in any one of case. Maybe
Mm-hmm.
both are uppercase or both are lowercase.
Mm-hmm.
Then our compilers know, yes, these are the equal letter. So
Uh,
the two additional steps we have to perform, whatever our input and whatever the actual data, we are just converting to the uppercase. Once
mm-hmm.
done uppercase, then check equal to,
Mm-hmm.
right?
All right.
So these two steps we have to do extra
Mm-hmm.
for case insensitive. If don't want to case insensitive, these two
Mm-hmm.
case not needed. Like here, we are not doing any kind of conversion, right?
All right.
We are flatly just whatever the value exact match. This is the exact match. Don't say lowercase uppercase. But
Mm-hmm.
sometime I want no, I want to our data should be case insensitive. So
Mm-hmm.
here in the case of comparison, we have to ensure we are going to compare in any one of case, maybe uppercase or lowercase.
Mm-hmm.
Here we decided we are going to uppercase conversion, right?
All right.
The both left hand side uppercase, right hand side uppercase, then perform the double equal to operator.
Mm-hmm.
Is it clear how to find the occurrence of any, right?
Mm-hmm. Kinda. It is.
So you're with that
Yes.
conversion, just before the conversion, you added a logic, correct?
Again, ask question.
Before the conversion, the
Hmm.
line that convert from
Yeah. Yes.
big to small,
Yes.
just before that, you added a logic.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
That's just to check.
Here, in the case of previous example, we are just whatever the our input string and whatever specific character, both are comparing, right?
Right.
I don't know this is a capital letter or lowercase. This is no, no. I don't know this is uppercase or lowercase. We're not considering anything. Exact
Mm-hmm.
match, right? What user want here? User want a small letter, then we only match the small letter case. User want uppercase, we only consider uppercase, right? But
Mm-hmm.
in the case insensitive case, what we are doing, whatever the pass input, first I am going to convert to the uppercase,
अच्छा.
right? And
अच्छा.
similarly, what the input, this input have a data, also
Mm-hmm.
convert to the uppercase. Now both in uppercase, then I am going to check the equality.
अच्छा.
Okay.
So this equality must be in any one of maybe lowercase or uppercase.
अच्छा.
This is the things.
Mm.
How to know uppercase, lowercase, you already know. Just doing like a minus 32 for uppercase. To
Mm.
lowercase, plus 32, right?
Right.
Mhm.
So if you notice, I pass the input here. Let's I write here character, specific character, specific.
Mhm.
uh, let's key I pass single quote T.
Mhm.
Okay,
Mhm.
and here I am pass the not input. I pass like here a specific character, right?
Right.
Here I pass a specific character, and here they also pass, right? The same output also get the same output.
Mm-hmm.
Ajay bhai, I have a quick question.
Yes,
You are passing two value in the.
in the method.
I This is new. That's why I.
Yes, this method can take any number of input, right? But here we are deciding this method take two input. One is the input string and one is specific character, right?
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
It can
Right?
be different type.
Maybe different any types. You can say input string or rename it the search string somehow, right? It would be good. Refactor, rename, and say this is the search character, right?
Mm-hmm.
Search character. Which search character I want, right?
Mm-hmm.
And similarly, this is the search character, rename. So we have an option to rename the any variable. Refactor and go to the rename. So I say search character. A specific character we are searching, right?
All right.
Rename any variable instead of want to refactor, just go to rename and change the search character.
Mm-hmm.
If you run here. So yes, in the Java you can decide. So notice the occurrence of a search t in this. Go to the case only one t small because only one t, right? Go to
Mm-hmm.
the case insensitive method, the same input t, you are getting a 3. Why? Because this is a t, this is the t, this is the t, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this is your exact match, they return only one. This is your case insensitive, means they are not considering case.
All right.
So whenever you are going to call this method, we have to pass two input. One the input, one is specific search character which you want to search, right?
All right.
So any doubt, any confusion till now, or is it okay?
A little bit better.
Okay. Yeah, it's better.
Okay, good. So let's try. Okay.
Sure.
Okay, almost here done.
Yeah, so we'll practice this one and then
Yeah.
If any doubt, any confusion, we'll again connect.
Sure.
definitely. Ajay,
Thank you. Let's
Thank you.
stop this.
thank you very much, Ajay.